Hello everyone, my name is Brunner. I'm a drummer from Maryland in the United States. I've been playing drums for 9 years. I currently play in 3 different projects. One, a band called Friends with Strangers, which is a new indie pop band that just started. Another band called Moraine, which is a 90s influenced heavy alternative rock band. And then a third band called the Drew Wagner Band, which plays contemporary Christian music, some original, some covers. Sticks I'm here to talk to you about are the 5BR by Collision. I like them a lot. I love the reach first and foremost, which is what the R stands for. I like that they're very balanced in weight, not too top heavy, but also not too thick towards the bottom. And they also have this really cool arrow on the stick, which might seem insignificant, but I think it's really cool art that you don't see from a lot of the other major brands that you play. So the song you're going to hear today is the first single from Friends with Strangers called Strangers, and I hope you enjoy it.
I wish you hadn't said that you never let me go, 'cause it's so that I can think about when I'm alone. I think I have trust issues now, knowing that you're running around with somebody else when you said it would always be me. It's crazy, we were ever more than strangers, 'cause if you called me now I wouldn't know the sound of your voice. And it pains me, we put each other in danger, and we called it love, but we didn't know the meaning of the word. I wish I would have known that you'd give up on me. I would have posted less on social media, 'cause now I gotta change my Facebook profile picture, and all my aunts and uncles are gonna ask about you. Not in the mood, it's crazy, we were ever more than strangers, 'cause if you called me now I wouldn't know the sound of your voice. And it pains me, we put each other in danger, and we called it love, but we didn't know the meaning of the word. Why'd you have to go and leave me so alone? I've never been good at being on my own. Why'd you have to go and leave me so alone? Why'd you have to go and leave me so alone? I've never been good at being on my own. Why'd you have to go and leave me so alone? Why'd you have to go and leave me so alone? I've never been good at being on my own. Why'd you have to go and leave me so alone? It's crazy, we were ever more than strangers, 'cause if you called me now I wouldn't know the sound of your voice. And it pains me, we put each other in danger, and we called it love, but we didn't know the meaning of the word. It's crazy.